Planning your next cruise can feel like stepping into a maze of non-stop emails. Early saver offers, casino discounts, last-minute deals, and long lists of limited-time promotions. Before those messages turn into a mountain of unread mail, it's worth deciding on one simple question: where do you actually want to go? For many travelers, the choice comes down to two completely different worlds: the sun-soaked tropical Caribbean or the icy, majestic wilderness of Alaska. Both offer unforgettable experiences, but they appeal to very different travel personalities. So grab a pen and let's find out which destination feels like the perfect match. Most people imagine cruising as warm breezes, palm trees, and places like Cozumel. Alaska flips that idea upside down in the best possible way. Massive glaciers, snow-capped mountains, quiet fjords, and wildlife straight out of a nature documentary. This is a journey built around scenery, serenity, and breathtaking landscapes. Alaska cruises are seasonal, usually operating from May through September. Many travelers fly into Seattle or Vancouver, often adding a few extra days on each side of the trip, turning a one-week cruise into a 10-day adventure. Activities vary from high adrenaline to completely relaxed. Active: glacier trekking, helicopter tours, dog sledding adventures in Skagway. Moderate: whale watching trips, Anchorage sightseeing, culinary tours. Relaxed: scenic tram rides, the White Pass Railway, or simply exploring the port towns. Whatever the plan, just remember to return to the ship before departure. Expect anything. Alaska's weather is famously unpredictable. Cold mornings, warm afternoons, rain, wind, sunshine, all in the same day. Packing tip: layers and waterproof gear are your best friends. Waterproof shoes or boots are also highly recommended. When most people think cruise, the Caribbean is what comes to mind. Warm sun, picture-perfect beaches, palm trees, and joyful local culture. Everything about the Caribbean feels vibrant and alive. From the moment the ship sets sail, the atmosphere becomes festive. Guests sip fruit cocktails with tiny umbrellas, music fills the decks, and the sail-away party kicks off a week of tropical relaxation. Caribbean cruises depart from many ports across the United States. Those who want something different can even fly to Puerto Rico and start their journey from there, perfect for reaching the southern Caribbean islands. The region is filled with fun options. Active: climb Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica, zip line in Belize, snorkel with stingrays in Grand Cayman. Moderate: catamaran tours in Barbados, horseback riding in Cozumel, off-road island excursions. Relaxed: glass-bottom boat tours in the Bahamas, or simply enjoying the beach near the port. Many Caribbean ports also offer plenty to do without booking any tours. Beaches, shopping, cafes, all within walking distance. Expect hot and humid weather with plenty of sun. Pack light clothing, swimsuits, and flip-flops. A thin jacket is helpful on the ship, where indoor areas can feel chilly or breezy in the evenings. Alaska or the Caribbean, which fits you better? There's no wrong choice. Both destinations deliver unique memories. Alaska for dramatic landscapes, fresh air, wildlife, and cooler weather. The Caribbean for warm breezes, beaches, lively culture, and endless sunshine. If possible, try both. Life is short, and every cruise offers something entirely different, from icy fjords to tropical sunsets. Whether you choose the crisp northern wilderness or the heat of the islands, one thing is certain: your first cruise is just the beginning of many more adventures ahead.